Hello everyone, my name is Ayomide Emmanuel Agbola. Welcome to my SQL learning documentary. In this video, we'll be talking about the last part of our aggregate function, which is the max and min. Max simply means maximum and min simply means minimum. Maximum let us know the highest performing value and the minimum let us know the least performing value. So I'll be using the two in a single query and I'll be using my transaction column to return them. These two can be used to identify trend in data analysis. If you want to know the highest performing goals, the least performing goals, the highest score of a student, the lowest score of your students, and everything like that. It is also used with values and integer. And I'll be using max and min in a single query, like I said, with my transaction column. If you are using it in a query, don't write maximum, just write max, which is max, in bracket, transaction, or any column that has value that you are using. And the next one also will be min, min, in bracket, transaction to return the maximum and minimum transaction. We want to know the highest that they have done. I want to know the least that they have done. So if they have anyone that I'm doing very lesser and I want to follow up with them and ask them what is the problem, this will let me know easily. From the BOS table, as we have been using it, and we're going to run it to see our result. In our result, we have 1,000 to be maximum and 500 to be minimum. And we just see that it returned them in a single value. And I said in my first video that I'll be letting us know the reason I use AXAS. Can we say that we have max transaction and min transaction as our column header, which is not right and is not good enough. The AS I have been using in my previous video is alias. It is a simple form of writing alias in SQL, and it is used to rename a column title. So I want it to be as highest transaction for the max transaction and as lowest transaction for the min transaction. And if I run this one after inputting it, it will also reflect as my header name in the result pan here. Can we see now that we have highest transaction and the lowest transaction? So that is what AS is used for us that are maybe we have been seeing that we don't understand what it's used for. So, and let me just recap everything we have talked about in aggregate function. Let's just see this as a teacher that is helping us to summarize our student score. You want to know the count of students in the class. You want to know the sum of their score. You want to know the average score, the minimum score, and the maximum score. So this aggregate function is what is used for everything like this. And I hope you understood everything and you can use them on the job and also in your training in data analytics. See you all in my next video and thank you very much.